Hello my friends, this is Jennye, very welcome you again to this beautiful, wonderful day of life. Wishing you nothing but the best, friends. We're still celebrating this New Year's and we're still celebrating as well the wonderful new beauties we have been receiving on 2026 so far on this just end month of January. It is my intention today, friends, to continue working with this stunning palette that Chanel just launched, the Rouge Noir collection. Today I truly want to work with one of the shades I didn't touch on this past tutorial, that is this one. This shade is very special to me, friends. This deep rose with terracotta shade in it. It's a gorgeous shade. Along with that, I bought the Rouge Noir, the Stylo Crayon waterproof. How this might look. And also, I'm going to be creating. Today is going to be all about creating, friends. And I'm doing this video. It's going to be part 1 and part 2. I will be using the singular shadow, the Ombre Essential, because I didn't touch this one, and the reason I didn't play with this on the uploaded video is because these shadows deserve their own space. Grease rose and brown rose. So the second makeup look is going to be using these babies. I welcome you to a new makeup tutorial. I'm going to proceed and prepare my face for the makeup look. I would like to use this stunning YSL. It's the All Hours Glow Foundation. I've been explaining, if I have this foundation, friends, it's because I'm just lucky. I'm blessed enough to have it, friends. I got it, happened that I got it in Scotland. Over here in the US, until this very day, we're still not receiving it. Light Neutral 7. So I'm going to apply one pump on the back of my hand. It's very dense, very creamy. I love it. It's very elastic. With the initial pump, I still working. Wow, super elastic. Very pretty. I've been using extra skincare in moisturizer, serums, moisturizer. I've been using lately a lot CLARINS, the double serum. So beautiful, so hydrating. I can go from day to night. My skin feel extremely hydrated. So for my concealer, I'm going to use BURBERRY Light Neutral 40 and Neutral 20, okay, for luminosity. This one is to correct my under dark circles. So meanwhile, I wait a few seconds. I would like to show you very quick what I've been using for this, time of the year in which we all are facing so much skin dryness, okay? I bought this double serum from CLARINS. I have a sensitive skin. I didn't know how it was going to behave, but oh my, from the day number 1, after the first try on the sample, friends, I couldn't stay away from this beauty. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. This one was 140, but the two Caudalis, very nice stuff as well, but I think this one is better. I love it, and I'm waiting to get the one for the eyes. For the extra moist, I've been using AUGUSTINE, the Rich Cream. Sometimes when the dryness is very severe, I use it day and night, okay? And my infallible TATCHA, I've been enjoying this as well, is the DEWY cream, rich cream. I use it and I combine it with my foundations. And I'm going to keep using Christian Louboutin. I think this powder, setting powder, is so beautiful. It's a compact setting powder. Okay, So I'm going to set my T-zone. I'm just done applying the powder for setting the concealer. Then I did apply, and the powder, I keep recommending it, friends. Look, I'm going to be using the double-ended blush brush from TATCHA. And since we are going to be working with this stunning beauty, I would like to apply this shade, which is this one. But I'm going to make a transition. This palette, you know, and specifically this shade is so beautiful. So I'm applying it a little bit, you know, from the high points of my cheeks, just to produce a gradient. Because I remind you, this shade that looked like a terracotta had a lot of pink in it. Okay, so it's going to be an amazing match. The baby is pigmented, okay? So I truly emphasize and encourage you to deposit some of the pigment on your hand. Ooh, look at this. So with one dab on the shade, look the result. Oh, so beautiful, friends. I'm so in love. I'm going kind of a straight here, and from this area I go up, okay? Look at the beauty of this shade, friends. Oh my. I'm going to start applying this same shade. Look at this match. The color and the baby is pigmented, okay? You can do it with a brush, or you can do it, you know, with your finger. I didn't use this color at all on the past tutorial. This palette is a lot more of a palette just for one or a couple of looks. What this palette have to offer, friends, is so crazy and so incredible. Look, and I'm applying a lot of this pigment with my finger. I highly recommend this blending brush from Makeup by Mario. It's so pretty, friends. So I go and I'm going to start, you know, making this application more even. So it's going to be a more monochromatic type of look, and I'm trying to make this part straight, okay? That is why you see me working on the way that I'm doing it. This is another brush. It's one of the most beautiful brushes I own. It's the Morphe Moi. And I'm going to be listing, friends, for you everything I've been using for this makeup tutorial. The color, friends, is a beauty. So I keep pushing this up in circular motions just to give more modern. And with a pink, with a very soft pink, I'm going to work on the transition. I clean the same brush because I love it, how it performs. So I go just on the top area and I diffuse everything together, giving a very beautiful transition, friends. The way that this blend is so stunning. I found this from Chanel. Let me see if I can access to this inner area with a highlighter. Look at this, friends. It's like a metallic iridescent with lilac. So let me use my finger. So now with the brand new release from Chanel, I'm going to apply this on the waterline and all over my lash line, okay? It's deep enough What do you think? It's not bad. I think it's very pretty cute. By using this shade all around, I'm going to proceed and apply a slightly bit of the terracotta shade on the outer. By the way, the brush I'm using is from Scott Barnes. It's a very rounded, you know, arch type of brush. With the other side from Makeup by Mario, I'm grabbing into the very lightest pink. I hope that you can observe it there, just to diffuse everything. Fusion of the pink shade with these terracotta frames. The transition is beautiful. So you understand now why I put this blush high. And this is what we have in the first eye done. To be honest, I think it truly can work much better with a contrasting eyeliner, and my pick, it could be, you know, like a black. But let us say that this is what we have, and I'm going to proceed and apply the mascara. Let me tell you, I'm going to be using the brand new from Gucci. Brand new because I just bought it, but this specific spoolie from this mascara, friends, why this is being one of the best mascara on the market? Because when you apply it on your eyes, the way that the spoolie, you know, order your eyelashes is like in a panoramic way. Okay, so we're going to proceed and do that. So I'm starting by the root first. It grabs every single of the eyelashes, friends. Look at this. So now I go on the tips to give lengthening. But this mascara, in my opinion, is all what you would love, you know, to have in a mascara. It's long wearing, it's not heavy. It gives like a panoramic, you know, shape. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. How much this palette have to offer? I did a monochromatic makeup look, basically using the terracotta pink shade, alternating and transitioning with this gorgeous lavender shade and a tiny little bit of light on the inner. I think the palette is a beauty. The palette is a palette, friends, you can use in any occasion. It's a must-go palette. I think it's so much fun. This is the statement actually you can have by going only with mainly that shade apply on your whole eyelid. And for my lips, friends, I just did apply this beautiful shade from Chanel. It is a lip liner and the shade is Beige Natural. Look at this. Look, tell me if everything doesn't go just standing together. Wow. I'm infatuated with the look. I think that is so beautiful. Rouge Noir in Confidence. It was no way in which I could find the shade Irreverente. Let me show you the difference between Irreverente and Irreverente. This is the shade I didn't have because it was so hard to find it, friends. So hard. This is Irreverente. I think that I'm going to use this one. And Irreverente is a pink as well, but is more than anything like a magenta shade, okay? If you want to diffuse, it's going to give you this kind of cloudy, you know, effect. Is so beautiful, the formulation. But for this makeup look, I'm very inclined to use this one because it's softer, since we have so much statement on the eye. Let me and allow me to go with Irreverent. I'm going to apply this shade in a very washed, okay, way, because I don't want for my lips to take over the eyes. I think that the shade is so beautiful, friends. Irreverent. You have no idea how hard was to find this shade. I got all my Chanel collection from the boutique, okay? Collection, and I have the individual, and that is going to be the next video. And let us say that is too much. Always come with my concealer. Look. Irreverent. As irreverent, it was not finding the shade anywhere. This collection is being sold out so many times, friends. I'm going to be listing all of the product. I really appreciate it. You can subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. I teach you another makeup look that you can actually, you know, create with a beautiful, beautiful palette from this Rouge Noir from Chanel. If you're just tuning to my channel, friends, I did a difference applying the black cold gel eye pencil, and I did apply the Rouge Noir on this eye, so you can decide which one you like the best. I really hope that you learn something new. I hope if you actually want to create a monochromatic, more monochromatic, or simply a smoky makeup look, friends, look how this gorgeousness can take you to enchanted. And get ready, friends, because on the next segment I'm coming with the single eyeshadows much requested. Thank you for your support, that means a lot for my channel. I don't have enough wear makeup look. I honestly, every time I see this palette, friends, I think it looks just